Now we will create a login form with username and password. So to create any form, add a new form. So right click, open. To add a new form, open Solution Explorer window and from it add Windows form. While creating the form, give the name related to the function that you are going to execute from the form. Since we are creating a login form, I will give the name FRM login and I will add it. It will add a form FRM login. Now set the height and width as per requirement. While creating any form, divide your form in 3 parts. First part is defining what function you are going to do from this form. Then second panel is for adding the buttons on the form. And third part is the controls that you are going to drag and drop on the form. So while designing any form, make it in 3 parts. Add 3 panels, one for defining what function you are going to do from it. Second is for adding the controls and third is for buttons. For defining the function, add a label. Make its auto size property false. Set the width according to your form size. Make the text alignment to the center and give the name login form. Change the text property. Change the font property. And change the background color. Since we are going to add username and passwords, so add a label on it. Name it as a LBL username and give the text username. Then add another label for password. Give the name LBL password and give the text property to password. Now add text box for accepting the username and password. Name it as a txt username. Then add another text box. Name it as a txt password. Set the height and width according to the control. Now we need to add 2 buttons, OK and exit. So I'll add buttons. I will give the name BTN OK. I will give the text property as OK. Then I will add another button For exit, I will give the name btn exit. When you want to run the form, your focus should be on username. Then set the tab index property of your panel to 0 and set the tab index property of username text box to 0. Now if you want to run it, you have to set it as a starter form. For this, open your program.cs and here call application.run new FRM login. That is, which will be your starter form. Set it here. Now to execute it, you will get the focus on username since we have set the tab index to 0. So when you enter the data in username text box and you want to set the focus to password by pressing the enter key, create the event for username. Write down the key down event for your txt username. So it will create the key down event. In key down event, we will check which key is pressed, and if the entered key is enter key, then it will set the focus to password. So here I will check. If you use key down event, check the e dot key code equals keys dot enter. That is, it will check the entered key is enter key, and if it is enter, set the focus to password. So txt password dot focus. For checking the enter key, you can use key down event or key press event. So I will write for password key, I will use key press event. You can use any event, key down or key press. So key press event. In key down event, we will check key code value, and in key press event, we will check key char value. So if e dot key char equals, convert it to character, keys dot enter. Set the focus to btn ok dot focus. So if we run it, I will enter the username 123, and if I press enter key, it will move focus to password, and if I press a password, it will move focus to button. Now you should hide the password characters. So for this, set the password character of text box password to asterisk. So when we run, it will not display the password. Now to print the login OK, we have to check the values of username text box and password check text box. We have to check the values of username text box and password text box. If it is equal, login is correct, and if it is not equal, login is incorrect. So on button click event of OK button, I will check if txt username dot text equal to txt password dot text. It will print message box dot show login correct. Else it will print message box dot show incorrect login. So when we run it, if I set the username and password equals, it will print login correct. And if I set different username and password, it will print incorrect login. After this, after executing, if you want to close the form, when exit button is clicked, on click event of exit button, write down this dot close. Use this dot close method, and if you run, if you press exit, it will close the form. Since .NET Framework C# is an object oriented language, every form is class, so this dot close. When you execute the form and when you have the focus on the control, if you want to change the background color of the text box, use got focus event. To write this, since this event is not available in the event window, you have to write it using event handler. To write it, go to coding window and just write two methods, on focus and on lost focus. So private void on focus with object as a sender, that is which control you have used, and event argument is E. And here we have to write the code. First you have to declare the control. So I will declare ctrl equal to sender as control, then control dot tag equal to control dot back color, that is which method you want to execute for this control, and set control dot back color equal to color dot can. You can set any color. And when you lose the focus, you have to set the color to white. So I will write another method on lost focus, and here I will set the background color to white. To execute these methods for every control, go to public FRM login method, and after initialize component, use the control name for which you want to set the got focus, that is txt username dot got focus plus equal to on focus. That is, you want to execute the on focus method on its got focus event. Similarly, for txt password, got focus plus equal to on focus. And on lost focus, so txt username dot lost focus plus equal to on lost focus. Select the method on lost focus. Similar for txt password. So when you execute it, it will change the background color when the control has focus. So I will give the username and I will press enter key. It will move focus to the password. It will change the background color of username to white on lost focus while losing the focus, and on password it will change the background color to can. I will write password, and if I will press enter, the focus goes to button OK, and it will change the background color of your password. And if I press enter key, it will print login correct. And when I press exit, it will close the form.